Marauders, welcome back to the channel. Today's video, 2024 KTM 990 Duke. I'm going to install Evotech frame sliders. So we're going to get right into it. Let me get you set up. Let's start taking it. We'll see how it's going to go. These caps come off. May I tell you, I don't like taking those caps off. In a video we watched, the guy looks like he takes the caps off with his fingertips. Am I taking these off the wrong way? Do they unscrew? Oh, they appear to unscrew. Okay, so the cap unscrew, I guess. Woohoo! Much easier. Okay, I can tell you right now, I already have the best video on how to remove these caps. Okay, so the caps are removed. There is a spot where those caps, thread caps were. Next, I have to remove this Torx bolt. Oh man, that was tight. Okay, so that's out. And I do have Loctite on this. Then this bolt goes in that hole. Let's get this behind the frame. This is an 8mm Allen driver. Okay, we're not going to tighten that up yet, and we're just going to snug that up. And then we have one that goes in behind that tube, which is a shorter bolt. You can see that, another 8mm. And I have Loctite on all. So the conversion from 45 Newton meters to foot-pounds is 33.19 foot-pounds. So let's torque that. Okay, that's 33. And then the bottom ones get converted to 25 Newton meters, and that is, let's call it 18.43 foot-pounds. Okay, so those are torqued down. And then the slider assembly, we get this rubber bushing. So the rubber bushing goes in here like this. The offset goes on like that. This is a mounting bolt with Loctite on it. Beautiful, beautiful washer. Goes like that. This goes in. It kind of threads hard, which I'm surprised. Okay, it looks like it's just a powder coating. It was a little stiff on the powder coating. Okay, and you know what's good when you drop a bolt? Because you screw up the end threads. You see how that's supposed to look in there? Wow, that's nice. I don't like that this muffler is exposed. The pipe is exposed there. If it goes down, I don't know if it's going to hit or not, but those are nice. Is that nice? Now, you might say, I like to have crash bars on all my bikes, and all of them have them now except the dual sport. Not that this is necessarily a crash bar, but it does protect the body molding on the paint. It will definitely protect if the bike goes down. It's going to protect the side fairings on the bike. You can see that. It does stick out, so it should protect the side fairings on the bike no matter what the orientation is of the handlebars. It looks like that clears it. I'm not so sure if it's going to protect the muffler and so on. I do have this case guard that's on here. No, this looks like if I go down on this side, that's going to get banged up, but I guess what that's for. It's a heat shield plus maybe some type of crash bumper, but that's neat. I'm going to go do the other side, show you what it looks like. Show you on this side, because that radiator tube isn't in the way, these are easy to spin off on this side. And they kind of showed that in the Evotech video, kind of, but this side is much easier to do. And I always try to show you the harder install on my channel. Yeah, these spin off very easily because that tube's not in the way. You can get your hand on it. So again, KTM, I just like the brand. I'm not gonna lie, I just like the brand. And I'll show you this install when I'm done. Marauders, other side was very easy. I got a time-lapse video of that. See how that comes out. KTM has a very, bold, really would have liked to got an orange crash bar that goes over the engine in this area. Really would have covered up the engine. I don't know that it would have protected the engine any more than what these Evotech units do, because this area still isn't protected, and I still think it would have banged up the bottom. So I really like these studs. And again, Harley, I have the old style crash bar on the Harley-Davidson CVO ST has sliders like this on it, which are cool, and that is very, very sturdy. And the end rubber pieces, hard rubber pieces, are replaceable. That's the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed it, Marauders. Hope to see you on the trail. And I'm hungry. My back is hurting me. So I have one more thing to put on. We'll do another video on my next accessory for this bike.